In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Amazon two-step verification using an Authenticator app, such as Google Authenticator or Microsoft Authenticator, to enhance the security of your account. This is an important step in securing your digital life, adding an essential layer of verification to your Amazon account. It ensures that even if someone were to get a hold of your password, they wouldn't be able to access your account without your verification code. First, you'll need to sign in to your Amazon account. Once you're logged in, navigate over to the Your Account section. From here, go to Login and Security. This is where you will manage your two-step verification settings alongside other security options relating to your account. You'll find a section labeled Two-Step Verification Settings. Here, click on Edit. If this is your first time enabling two-step verification, you'll see an option to Get Started. Alternatively, if you're adding a new phone or Authenticator app because you already have another method set up, choose the option that says Add New Phone or Authenticator App. For the method of receiving your verification codes, choose Authenticator app. This is considered one of the most secure options. When you select this, you'll be presented with a screen displaying a QR code. Your Authenticator app, which could be Google Authenticator or Microsoft Authenticator, will need this QR code to set things up. Open your preferred Authenticator app on your phone. You'll have a couple of options. You can either simply scan the QR code using the app's built-in scanner, or you can enter the secret code manually, if that option is provided on the screen, into your app. After setting up the account in your Authenticator app, you'll notice that the app begins to generate a 6-digit code. This code refreshes periodically and is what you will use to complete the two-step verification setup on Amazon. Enter this code where prompted on Amazon and then click Verify or a similar button to confirm that everything is working correctly. As an additional layer of security, Amazon will ask you to add a backup method in case you ever lose access to your Authenticator app. You could use another phone number or even a second app for this purpose. It's crucial to have this backup in place to ensure you can always access your account. Once this setup process is completed, two-step verification via the Authenticator app is successfully enabled for your Amazon account. From now on, every time you sign in, after entering your password, you'll be prompted to enter the code generated by your Authenticator app. This process greatly increases your account's security, and it's a step worth taking to protect your personal information. We hope this guide has helped you set up two-step verification effortlessly, providing you with peace of mind and better security.